exactly the same as the songs. Couldn't work that one out. Oh, there you go. I found a heaven somewhere. Oh, it's hard to get through that one, I tell you. There we go. Right. Okay. Balance-wise, that's fine on stage. Balance-wise, vocal and guitar, how's that sound out front?
Yes, yes.
And now, does it sound alright? I know my love was not for you. Oh, that's fine. And so I'll take it back with a sigh. The prettiest one, goodbye. Oh, oh. That sound alright then out front? Cool, yeah, you do the next. Should just do the next track, Trainers. Got your trainers scattered on the floor, and my heart cries out, 'cause I wanted a little more. Why do they have to be there, still scattered, scattered on the floor? Does it sound alright?
Yep.
Why do they have to be there, still scattered, scattered on the floor? Tell me you're gonna be here all night.
Yeah.
Yay! Say I'm a fool to say goodbye to you, but believe me, your train is still scattered on the floor. Why do they have to be there, still scattered? Can't wait to go. Big Gordon on the trombone. Here he is. Was that a quick fade out?
Yeah.
Yeah, hang out.